Hello student, welcome back to online lecture on Junior Accountancy channel. Student, today we solve the ninth practice problem of the partnership final account. That problem is available on your textbook page number 61. Now first of all we just read that problem. Sun and Moon are the partners in partnership firm sharing the profits and losses equally. You are required to give the effect of adjustment with the help of the following information. It means student, from this paragraph we understood that there is a partnership firm where the Sun and Moon are the partners. They share their ratio in equal. Okay, so here they asked to give the effect of adjustment with the help of the following information, and for that purpose they provide us the tallied trial balance. Now first of all we just read the trial balance. The trial balance date is 31st March 2019. It means financial year is 2018 and 19. So now let's read to debit balance list. First of all, land and building 40,000, furniture 18,000, machinery 40,000. Here student, they in bracket they gives a certain information. What is that? Purchased on 1st July 2018. Student, from this date we understood that this machinery of rupees 40,000 is purchased in 1st July 2018. It means in this full of year this machinery is used from the date of 1st July 2018 to 31st March 2019. It means total 9 months we use that machinery. Student, that information helps us to at the time of calculation of the depreciation on that machinery. Now next, goodwill 2000, wages 2000, then current account of Moon they gives us. The amount is 4000. Student, from this current account of the Moon we understood that this partnership firm follow the fixed capital method. So here we in this final account we have to maintain the current account, partners current account. Okay, so partners current account Moon balance is 4000, then 8% debentures amount is 8000. Along with this they give the date purchased on 1st October 2018. Student, here the 8% of the debentures is given in the list of debit balance. It means that 8% debentures is the investment, and that investment is purchased on 1st October 2018. So here there is a hidden adjustment, because here we have to calculate the interest on the debentures. Okay, so from 1st October 2018 to 31st March 2019 we have to calculate the interest on that debenture. So total 6 month interest we have to calculate in these debentures. Okay, so it is the hidden adjustment, so we just put a tick mark before the debentures. Next one is the provident fund investment. It is an investment, so it is recorded in the asset side. Amount is 3500. Then stock of postal stamps, it is a current assets. Amount is 500. So debit balance list total is 1,18,000. Now we just read the credit balance list. First of all, capital account of Sun, that is 33,500. Moon capital contribution is 33,500. Then here in credit balance list they show the current account of the Sun, that amount is 6,000. Then sundry creditors 25,000, bank overdraft 10,000, reserve funds 5,000, and provident funds 5,000. It is a liability, so liability side we recorded. Okay, so here the credit balance list total is 1,18,000. It means our tally trial balance they provide us. Now we just read the adjustment, and simultaneously we put a tick mark before the items where there is an adjustment related to the trial balance items. Okay, first adjustment, partners are entitled to get the salary rupees 6,000 per annum in addition to their profit and loss sharing. Student, from this adjustment we understood that here the partners get the salary of rupees 6,000 per annumly. Both the partners get the salary. So we know the effect of that. First effect is goes on the partners current account credit side, and second effect profit and loss account debit side. So it's a partners current account related adjustment. Then second point, depreciation on land and building, furniture and machinery at the rate of 10%, 5% and 3% respectively. Student, in this second adjustment there is a depreciation is charged on certain fixed asset. First of all, land and building, there is a 10% depreciation we charge. Okay, we put a tick mark before this land and building. Then Similarly, we have to charge the depreciation on furniture also. So here the furniture is available on trial balance list, debit side. Then along with this, they gives the machinery depreciation. We have to charge for 3% depreciation we charge on that machinery. So when we calculate the depreciation on machinery, just we keep it in mind that machinery depreciation we calculate for the total from 1st July. It means total 9 months depreciation we have to calculate there. Okay, so on land and building we charge the depreciation by 10%, on furniture we charge the depreciation by 5%, and on machinery we charge the depreciation at the rate of 3%. Okay, I hope your depreciation in concept is clear, that which rate of depreciation is followed to which fixed assets. Okay, so we know the effect of that depreciation. First effect, we deducted that depreciation from the particular assets. It means in balance sheet we give the effect of that, and second effect we show it in the profit and loss account debit side. Okay, so we put a tick mark before the land and building, furniture and machinery also. Okay, now we read the third adjustment. There is a interest on capital 5% per annum. Here there is a interest on capital is provided to the partners. First effect of it, it's shown in the partners current account credit side, and second effect profit and loss account debit side. Now it means there is a effect is related to the current account also. So when we open the current account, so this type of adjustment we recorded in the capital account. Okay, now next adjustment, fourth, that is a closing stock rupees 60,743. we know the effect, both the effect of this, first effect trading account credit side and second effect asset side we recorded. Next, fifth adjustment, wages included rupees 1,000 as advance given to the workers. Student, here in trial balance they gives us the wages. Okay, so in this wages amount rupees 2,000 they gives us, so in this 2,000, 1,000 amount is related to the advance given to the workers. So it is an advance, so we deducted that from the wages. So trading account debit side, we deduct the advance given to the workers of rupees 1,000 from the wages 2,000. Okay, and second effect of it show it on the balance sheet asset side. Next adjustment, there is a interest due but not paid rupees 800. Here there is a certain interest we have to pay, but we are not paid yet. It means it is a outstanding interest, so it's a current liability. Its first effect we show it in the current liability side, it means balance sheet liability side of rupees 800, and second effect in profit and loss account debit side. It's a financial expenditure, that's why it is recorded in profit and loss account debit side. So nothing related to put a tick mark before this trial balance item. No items is related to the interest. Okay, so just keep it in mind the effect of this sixth adjustment. And last adjustment, that is a total net profit amounted to rupees 38,113. Student, this is just information they gives us that the net profit of this partnership firm is 38,113. So it is shown in profit and loss account debit side. We distributed that net profit between the partners, and second effect of it we show it in the partners current account credit side. Okay, so student, here our adjustment reading is completed. Now what is the last sentence they gives us? You are required to prepare the balance sheet and partners current account only. Student, in this problem we have to prepare only the balance sheet and partners current account only. It means whenever in exams they ask this type of questions, we have to prepare only the balance sheet and partners current account. Okay, so here we in this video we also prepare the balance sheet and partners current account. In your self study you prepare the full final account. Okay, because we already discussed the effect of all the adjustments, so you can easily prepare the partnership final account. But now in next slides we just only prepare the balance sheet and partners current account. Okay students, now we start to solve the practice problem number 9 of the partnership final account. For that purpose we prepare the partners current account of Sun and Moon and balance sheet statement for the year ended 31st March 2019. Okay, so this is the format which is available in front of you. Now Now trial balance items one by one we post in the partners current account and balance sheet only. Okay, so first item in the trial balance debit balance list, first item is land and building. So it is write it on the balance sheet asset side, land and building amount is 40,000. Inner column we recorded because there is adjustment regarding this. Then next one is the furniture is also the fixed asset, so asset side we recorded the amount of furniture. Inner column again because there is also the adjustment regarding this furniture, so amount is 18,000. Next one is the machinery, it is also the fixed asset, so balance sheet statement inner column we record the amount of machinery 40,000. Then goodwill again it is another fixed assets but it is a intangible assets. Directly outer column we record the amount of goodwill because no adjustment regarding this goodwill. Next one is the wages, है ना. So student, whenever you solve this final account with full of all the accounts, at that time that wages is to be recorded in the trading account debit side. But student, as per the requirement of the problem, we in these slides we cannot prepare the trading account, so its effect we not shown in these slides. Okay, so next item, that is a current account of Moon. It is a opening balance of current account. So partners capital current account debit side we write it as a to balance brought down in Moon column 4,000. Next item, that is a 8% debentures. Student, 8% debentures, it is an investment for a partnership firm. That's why it is in balance sheet asset side we recorded as 8% debentures, and inner column we record the amount of rupees 8,000. Student, here there is a hidden adjustment regarding these debentures. We calculate the interest on the debentures. How it is calculated, that working note is available in front of you. Rupees 8,000 is the total amount of debentures or the investment into 8%, it means 8 divided by 100, and total 6 months interest we calculated on that because these debentures is purchased on 1st October up to 31st March we used it in current year, so that's why we multiplied into 6 month divided by 12 month, so we get the interest amount on debentures, that is 320. So that amount we add into the debentures, so we write it in the asset side below the 8% debentures plus interest amount is 320. We take the total of both the amount and write the total of that amount in outer column. That total is 8,320. Student, its second effect is goes on the profit and loss account debit side, but here we cannot prepare the profit and loss account. Okay, next, provident fund investment, it is the investment, so asset side we record provident fund investment directly outer column 3,500. Next item, that is the stock of postal stamp, it is a current assets, so again in balance sheet asset side we record the stock of postal stamp directly outer column 500. So debit balance list is over. Now we post the credit balance list. First of all, opening capital of Sun and Moon, that is shown in the balance sheet liability side. You can directly write it in the liability side, or you can separately prepare the partners capital account. In this video or in the slides we write it in the balance sheet liability side. How it is right? Partners capital account, first Sun capital 33,500 and Moon capital is 33,500. Okay, the total of partners capital is 67,000. We write it in the outer column. Next one is the current account of Sun. Its opening balances of Sun current account 6,000. So we write it in the credit side of the partners current account. How it is written? By balance brought down and Sun column 6,000. Okay, next, sundry creditors, it's a current liability, so balance sheet liability side we recorded as a creditors amount directly outer column 25,000. Next, bank overdraft, again it's a current liability, so below the creditors we write the bank overdraft directly outer column 10,000. Then the reserve funds, that reserve funds we write below the capital, so reserve funds amount is 5,000. And last, provident fund, that is also the liability of the partnership firm, so it is recorded in liability side of the balance sheet directly outer column 5,000. Student, here our the trial balance posting is completed. Now one by one we see the adjustment effect, the effect of adjustment which comes under partners current account and balance sheet only. First adjustment, there is a partners are entitled to get the salary rupees 6,000 per annum in addition to their profit and loss sharing. Here there is a partners get the salary of rupees 6,000 per annum. It means both the partners get the salary. So its first effect we show it in the partners current account. So partners current account credit side we write the by salary to partners sun 6,000 and moon column 6,000. Second effect, profit and loss account debit side. Second adjustment, there is a depreciation on land and building, furniture and machinery at the rate of 10%, 5% and 3%. So here depreciation we charge, so its effect is shown in the balance sheet asset side. We deduct it from the particular assets. First of all, then we calculate the depreciation on land and building. How it is calculated, the working note of this depreciation is also available in front of you. Land and building depreciation 40,000 amount into 10%, we get the depreciation rupees 4,000. Full year we use that land and building, so our depreciation on land and building is 4,000, that we deducted from the land and building amount is 4,000, and outer column we write the balancing amount, that is 36,000. Then furniture depreciation, that is again we show it in the balance sheet asset side, deducted from the furniture. How it is calculated, 18,000 into 5% is equal to rupees 900 per annum. The furniture also we used in full of the 12 months or the current financial year, so we also deduct that depreciation amount rupees 900 from the 18,000. Then balancing amount is 17,100. Next, there is a depreciation is charged on the machinery. Okay, just concentrate here. There is a machinery depreciation on machinery depreciation is charged. Student, in trial balance they gives additional information regarding the date of purchase of this machinery. It's purchased on 1st July 2018. So from 1st July to 31st March, total 9 months we use that machinery. So here we calculate the depreciation for 9 months only. How it is calculated, 40,000 into 9 months divided by 12 months into 3% rate is given, is equal to rupees 900. So 900 depreciation we charged on the depreciation, that is shown in the balance sheet asset side. We deduct that depreciation from the machinery 900, and balancing amount of machinery is 39,100. Okay, then third adjustments, interest on capital 5% per annum. Here the first effect of it is shown in the partners current account, and second is shown in the profit and loss account. So here we first of all calculate the interest on capital. How it is calculated, the working note is available. Sun capital 33,500 into 5% is equal to 1,675, and then again same, moon capital is equal to 33,500 into 5%, amount is 1,675. That's effect is shown in partners current account credit side by interest on capital, sun column 1675 and moon column also 1675. We know the effect, that second effect is goes on profit and loss account debit side. Next, fourth, there is a closing stock. First effect of it shown in the trading account, but there is no trading account. Second effect we can show, so it's recorded in the balance sheet asset side as a current assets. Closing stock 60,743 directly outer column. Next, fifth adjustment, wages included rupees 1,000 as an advance given to the worker. Its first effect we shown in the trading account debit side, deducted from the wages is, but here there is no trading account, so second effect we can show in the balance sheet as prepaid wages, or you can write it as a advance given to the worker, amount is 1,000. Then sixth adjustment, interest due but not paid rupees 800. Student, here there is interest due but not paid, it means there is a outstanding interest is there. So that outstanding interest, it is a current liability, so it is recorded in the balance sheet liability side as outstanding interest, amount 800. Its second effect, it's shown in the profit and loss account debit side. Last, total net profit amounted to rupees 38,130. Its effect is shown in the partners current account credit side. We write it as by net profit. We distribute that 38,113 in 1:1 ratio. So we get the sun's net profit is 19,050 46 and Moon share of profit is 19,057. Okay, its second effect is profit and loss account debit side we recorded. Then here our all the adjustments effect is we are properly recorded in partners current account and balance sheets. Now we close the first of all the partners current account. Closing time is there, so first we close the partners current account. Whenever you take the debit total and the credit total, first of all we close the Sun column. Sun debit balance, there is nothing amount is given, but credit side the total of this Sun column is 32,731. So we write the balancing amount in debit side of the Sun current account to balance carried down Sun column 32,731 and we close the Sun column by 32,731. Okay, similarly like a Sun we also close the Moon account. They take the total of debit side and credit side. Credit side is more than the debit side, of course, so there is a closing balance of Moon is in debit side. Moon closing balance is, we write it in the debit side as to balance carried down amount is 22,732 and total of the Moon column is 26,732. Here next this balancing amount is transferred to the balance sheet. How it is shows, first of all we write the partners current account, then we write the Sun closing current account amount, that is a 32,731 and Moon current account 22,732, that comes from partners current account, and total of this partners current account is 55,463. So student, here now closing time of balance sheet. First of all we take the total of liability and assets side. We find out that both the sides amount is same, that is 1,68,263. so our balance sheet is tallied. So student, here balance sheet is tallied, it means our proper posting and effect is properly shown in this final account, and properly we solve or completed our practice problem number 9. So practice it again and again. There is a home assignment for you, that prepare this final account, this problem again with the help of trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet and partners current account again. Thank you.